Linking a Zoom account to a Fireflies AI account is a straightforward process. For those who run online businesses and conduct meetings through Zoom, Fireflies AI is a popular tool for transcribing meetings and taking notes. To connect the two accounts, you'll need to start by logging into your Fireflies AI account and navigating to the home screen. From there, click on Integrations on the left side of the screen. Then search for Zoom by typing it into the search bar. Select the Zoom Audio Recording option, which will provide information on the benefits of connecting the two accounts, including automatic transcription, summarization, and note-taking for Zoom calls. It's worth noting that during calls, Zoom will announce the presence of a note-taker at the beginning of the call, so all participants are aware. To proceed, click the purple Connect button, which will prompt Zoom to open in a browser and request access to your Zoom account. If you agree to the terms, click Allow at the bottom left. The page will then refresh, and your Zoom integration will be active on your Fireflies AI account. If you want to extend this integration to other team members, you can check the box on the right, save your settings, and you're done. This process allows for seamless integration of Zoom and Fireflies AI, making it easier to manage meetings and notes.